When you're scrolling through YouTube looking for videos to watch, are you attracted to those videos that suggest you can make $500 per day, $600 per day, $10,000 per month on Amazon KDP? Well, if you are, I think I need to re-educate your perspective on what is possible with Amazon and publishing, particularly if you're new to Amazon KDP. Sure, you could make $600 per day with Amazon if you've been publishing for 4 or 5 years and you've got a significant number of great quality, high quality books that are out there in the market that you've been marketing and advertising. You've got great illustrations if you're doing children's books, great content if you're doing high content books, really good content if you're doing children's educational books. It is possible, but what really annoys me is when you see these videos that are promising $600 per day with no experience and make it look so easy, and people are falling for it. The video that we're going to have a look at in a moment has over 30,000 views. So if that's you, make sure that you continue watching this video, because I want to try and bring to light some of the false hope and the crap that people are promoting to try and get more clicks and more views of their videos. In most of these videos that are shown, there's actually no supportive data or information at all. They're showing you the process, potentially, or they're trying to show you a potential way of making money, but they're actually not doing it themselves. All they're doing is promoting maybe a platform and not really showing you how they've been able to use that and introduce that themselves in their own working life. So anyway, let's get into it right now, and I'll show you the video that I've got a concern with, flagging $600 per day, which is almost laughable. Let's get into it now. So I'm on YouTube now, and this is the video we're going to have a look at in a moment. But if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find that there's so many videos that are talking about how much you can make on Amazon KDP. Now, this is the one which I just sort of wanted to focus on a little bit. Let's quickly jump into it.
This super simple.
And we can watch the start of it, and we'll just sort of skip through a fair bit. And at the end, you'll see that it doesn't include anything about the money that they've made personally by doing this. And they might show you a process, but there's no background data to support it. Just watch the first little bit. They'll be flashing people that are excited, making money, talking about giving up your 9 to 5. These are the sorts of things that people are falling for.
Simple method should be illegal, but it's not. In this video, we're going to talk about the updated method to make $600 a day selling ebooks on Amazon Kindle with.
And then they talk about all this information. So they go through and they talk about using different platforms, and right down the end they talk about even using ChatGPT, Jasper.
However, for the purposes of this method, we won't be getting too fancy. We'll just be using Jasper to help us rewrite all the content we get from the ebooks we downloaded to quickly and easily create our own customized ebook that's plagiarism free.
So basically what they're trying to get you to do is to use other content, rewrite it through an AI. Then they've probably got links down here regarding how to use Jasper and the quizzes. So they're trying to earn the money from that for affiliates. And then they go through here and they talk about loading it up. Where is that? Here we go. Let's see what they say here.
Book on Amazon and start earning money fast. Now you want to sign up on this website by clicking on sign up here. Just click on create your KDP account and it will ask for your name, email.
And so they don't even have an account themselves, I don't believe. So they haven't actually got an account, but they're trying to show people how to do it. So these are the videos where it's got how many? It's got over 37,000 views. And it doesn't actually show you any proof of concept, but it's saying that you can make $600 per day. Well, where are they pulling that figure from? I'm just frustrated with some of these videos that are promising how much you can make. So if we go back up to here and make $1,000 with KDP, Let's see what it comes up with. Here's those ones again. Using ChatGPT, making money online, $4,500 per month, making passive income online selling books. Easy side hustle, got 247,000 views. This one's got 3.7 million views. Xero, and then through to $1,000 on KDP. Again, just really be careful and pick content and YouTubers that you think are actually being transparent and showing you the right methods. Anyone can do this, they're saying. Well, I don't think that's accurate. So on occasions, I'll make you aware of some of these videos that you just need to be careful of. Please ensure that you're aware of videos that are either trying to use clickbait to get you on board, might be using huge monetary figures like earn $500 per day, $10,000 per month. This is a $40,000 niche, or earn $1 million on Amazon KDP. Just be so careful. Don't be sucked into these videos that are promising so much but under-delivering. You just need to ensure that you're following the right people. If you are looking at education, just ensure you're signing up to the right courses. You're getting onto the right YouTube channels where people are being transparent about income and what they're earning. It is hard work to publish and earn income from Amazon KDP. It is possible to earn really good money on Amazon KDP, and I've demonstrated that as well with my children's picture storybooks. And what I'm trying to just make sure is that you don't keep watching videos that aren't really giving you a realistic expectation, or they're highlighting and over-exaggerating what you could potentially earn on the platform. It's really a money game for a lot of people, and I just want you to ensure that you're protecting yourself and you're not setting yourself up for failure. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do like these kinds of videos, just let me know. If you don't, I'll stop making them. But if you do like the channel and the content I create, just make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, add a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.